I'll put away the other rare breed chickens and the turkeys. Put away the ducklings. And these are the Bielefelders, and I've got a couple lavenders in here. Come on, guys. Here. I just give them a little bit in there because they've had quite a bit of food today, so. All right, come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Come on, little lady. Come on. Night nights. Yes, I know, Pumpernickel. I know. I have to take care of the ducklings first. They want to know where I'm at. Hey, baby. You want to come out? No? You're not coming out. I'm always afraid they're going to jump out of there when I open the thing because they want their food and they want it now. I put some water so they won't choke. Come on. Guys are dumping it now. They're all in there eating. Actually, I love the sound of ducks eating. Can't see because it's too dark, but we can hear them. Get in there, Bubba. Lock them in. And also closing the lid on the pen because we don't want any animals in there. Hey, Pumpernickel. Pumpernickel, you ready to go for Betty Buys? So Betty Buy times? You're going to be a good boy and go in this time, right? Mama's not been very impressed with how you're going in lately. Huh? Here. Go in there, Pumpernickel. Are you a naughty boy? You need to go in there. You can't say you didn't like the dinner because there's all kinds of good fruits in there. Come on, let's go. Come here, buddy. It's in here. It's in there. Go. Go, Pumpernickel. Come on. Let's go, honey. Let's go. Pumpernickel. Get in there. The other night, he actually refused to go to bed. Pumpernickel, you get in your bed. Am I going to have to come back and see if you're in there? All right, we'll feed the turkeys and come back. You get in your bed. Get in your bed, mister. Oh, the turkeys still have something to eat, but I accidentally gave them a little more than I needed to earlier. So they still got food in there. Hey, turkey. They're already on a perch. They've got a perch inside, too, but they like the one outside. They have a roof, you know, but here's the rest of the blackberries, whatever's left after the dogs were eating them. I think we're just going to leave their food at that, though. They've got enough. Good night, turkeys. Now let's come back and see if Pumpernickel has gotten in his bed yet. Pumpernickel! You get in your bed. What are you doing? You just going to let Amber eat all the fruit and you're not going to go and get your dinner? Get in there. Oh, good boy. Pumpernickel, come on. Good boy. Okay. Got it. Okay, there's all the animals in bed. The goats and everybody already get put away earlier. The chickens and pigs that are misbehaving. Nighty-night.